Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to install Windows Server on the cloud computing platform, Google Cloud Platform, also known as GCP. First, you need to log in to GCP. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a new one to receive $300 in free trial credits valid for 90 days. Next, click on the three-bar menu, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top left corner. Select Compute Engine, and then choose VM Instances to start creating a virtual machine. Click Create Instance to create a new virtual machine. In the Name field, enter a name for your virtual machine. In the Regions section, choose a location that is close to you or suits your intended use. Next, in the Machine Type section, you'll see options like E2, N2, C2, etc. Choose the configuration that best fits your needs. In this example, I am selecting the E2 series. Additionally, for better optimization, you can adjust the configuration in the Machine Type section to better suit your needs. In this example, I'm selecting the E2 Medium package. Next, in the left menu, select OS and Storage. In the Operating System and Storage section, click Change to select the operating system. In the Operating System section, scroll down and select Windows Server. In the Version section, select the version of Windows Server you want to use. Note that you should choose the Desktop Experience version to have a graphical user interface. In the Boot Disk Type section, select the type of disk you want to use. In this example, I will choose SSD. Enter the disk size you want in the Size section. Once the setup is complete, click Select to confirm and proceed. Always be mindful of the costs, as the price will depend on the number of CPUs, RAM, operating system, disk type, and disk size you select. Adjust these settings to suit your usage needs and budget. Next, go to the Networking section in the left menu. In the Network Tag section, you can choose to set a tag or skip it. However, I recommend assigning a network tag to your server, as it makes it easier to manage and apply security or network configuration policies to each virtual machine later on. You can refer to the video tutorial on how to open firewall ports on GCP linked in the description below to better understand how to use network tags effectively. In the Hostname section, assign a hostname to your server to make it easier to manage and identify within your network. Alright, once everything is set up, go ahead and click Create to launch your server. Please wait a moment for the server creation process to complete. Once the setup is complete, click the RDP button to download the remote connection file, which allows you to access the server via remote desktop. Next, click on the name of the newly created server to proceed with the remaining setup steps. Next, click on Set Windows Password to create a login account and set a password for your Windows server. Enter the desired account name in the Username field, and click Set to save the account name and set the password. The system will automatically generate a strong password. You can use this password or enter a different strong one if you prefer. That's it. Now, try connecting to your server via remote desktop using the file you just downloaded. Enter the account information and password you just set to log into the server. That's it. However, to further secure your Windows server, I recommend changing the default remote desktop port 3389 for enhanced protection. You can refer to the link in the description below.
Wish you all success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.